After lunch, we all watched a family movie. It was an interesting adventure story. In the evening, father played badminton with us. Mother sat outside and watched us play. After that, I did my homework. My sister helped me with it. Then we all had dinner and went to bed. Thank you, sir.
Aguda, welcome. It was excellent. Situm, Tatsarani chance is next. Oh, Imansha, then yours, okay? Imansha or Tatsarani. Any of you can start. What about you, Tatsarani? Ready?
Second, I did.
Sorry, you are ready with it? I mean, like, Imansha ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, now you can share the screen because now I got to the laptop this one. So now you can share the screen if you want.
Okay, sir. Good evening, my dear sir and my dear friend. Today I like to talk about solar system. The article is about the sun and its planetary system. For other similar systems, see planetary system. For solar power system, see photovoltaic system. For other users, see solar system. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the sun and the object that orbit either directly or indirectly. Of the object that orbit the sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, with the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planet and small solar system bodies. Of the object that orbit the sun indirectly, the natural satellite, 2 are larger than the smaller planet Mercury and one more almost equal it in size. The solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of the giant interstellar molecular cloud. The vast majority of the system mass is in the sun, with the majority of the remaining mass contained in Jupiter. The 4 similar inner system planets Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are terrestrial planets. Being primarily composed of rock and metal, the 4 outer system planets are giant planets, being substantially more massive than the terrestrials. The 2 largest planets, Jupiter and Saturn, are gas giants, being compounds made of hydrogen and helium. The 2 outermost planets, Uranus and Neptune, are ice giants, being composed mostly of substance with relative high melting point compared with hydrogen and helium core volatiles such as water, ammonia, and methane. All 8 planets have almost circular orbits that line with a nearly flat disk called the ecliptic. The solar system also contains similar objects which line between the orbit Mars and Jupiter mostly contain objects composed like the terrestrial planets of rock and metal beyond Neptune orbit lines with Jupiter belt and scattered disks, which are populations of planets. Neptune object composed mostly of ices and beyond them are newly discovered populations of sphenoids. Within these populations, some objects are larger enough to have rounded under their own gravity. How he is considered weighted as to how many there will provide to be such objects are categorized as dark planets. Astronomers generally expect at least 9 objects as dark planets. The asteroid series and the Trans-Neptune object Pluto, Eris, Mecum, and Sedna and Orcus. In addition of these two regions, various other small body populations include common Centauri and interplace dust cloud freely travel between regions. Six of the planet, the six largest possible dark planets and may of the similar bodies orbit by natural satellite usually termed moons after the moon. Each of these outer planets is encircled by planetary rings of dust and other small objects. The solar wind, a stream of large part outwards from the sun, created a bundle-like region in interstellar medium known as hemisphere. The hemisphere is the point at which pressure from the solar wind is equal to processing pressure of the interstellar medium. It extends out to the edge of the scattered disk. The aurora clouds, which is thought to be the source of long period common, may also exceed at a distance roughly 1,000 times further than hemisphere. The solar system is located 26,000 light years from the center of the Milky Way galaxy in the Orion arm, which contains mostly visible stars in the night sky. The nearest stars are with the so-called local bubble with the close proximal Centauri at 4.25 light years. These are some pictures of solar system. Today my presentation is end. Thank you.
Okay, excellent. And Tasarni, do you want a chance? If you need, you can start with that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, with that, you can start then.
I held a little lamb dog over such a still. He followed me with gratitude. Many a weary mind assured at him and suggest him, but he struck they close behind. I am sure is banked with sand. I know they you will be kind. He came into my house, and he wouldn't go away. So I will keep my little lamb dog to myself if I may. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. You have some, sort of pronunciation issues, but it's okay. Not bad, huh? Very good today. Okay. And next chance goes to Situm Imalsha. So you can start your second chance. You can have.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm reading the Nazam, you know.
Okay then. Then I'm going to stop for today. And everyone, bye. See you next day. Good night. උදේ තත්සාරනේ grade 6 class එක මම වීඩියෝ ටික ඔක්කොම ඔයාලට ඒවා දැන් බලන්න check කරලා ඔයාගේ WhatsApp එකට දාලා තින්නේ. හරි?
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye then. See you next day.
Bye, sir.